Hey everybody, game time. What I have for you today is a Panini Threads basketball. This is an online exclusive. I don't think you'll be able to get it from any of the regular card sellers. I think it's being sold only through Panini online. There's 15 cards total in the box, 2 autos, 2 rookies, 5 inserts. And I guess the rest are just base cards. So yeah, I went ahead and ordered this, and I did so because I really like the look of the Panini retail, and these the little advertisement, the sales pitch to go with this is that these cards are thick stock premium, and the parallels look similar to what you're seeing in the retail, but are thick stock. Some of the little line refractor, hollow, whatever look. Anyways, I can't describe it, so we're just gonna get into it. Let's look at the back really quick. Of course, there's parallels. I think every card in here is numbered to 199 or less. I think that was also part of the deal. So let's check it out and see who we get. Of course, we're looking for some of the better rookies, like this fellow right here, or Trey, or what's the other one? I can't remember the other one's name. Exclusive, yeah, there we go. Exclusive set, every card numbered to 200 or less. Last I looked, these were still available on the site, so if you're interested in buying one of these for yourself, you can do so. And there's a look at the, yeah, these are like, there's something like this in is it Prestige basketball? I think Prestige from 17-18. So there's Gasol on the top. Let's see what else we have in here. I guess that's just a base card. Let's do it like this. Actually, I thought they were all thick stock. This is not thick stock, so I guess I read that incorrectly. It's numbered up here in the corner. It's definitely a good looking card. And because these are being sold online through Panini only, it's going to make these, of course, more exclusive, because not everybody, matter of fact, not even most people will go and buy these. So that makes these cards a little bit more special. There's Donovan Mitchell. This might have a little bit of a corner issue. This top left, a little bit, something going on there. Not too bad, but not what you want to see. JJ Redick, another to 199. Ooh, Hardaway gold to 10. Tim Hardaway Jr. gold. That's very nice. Look at that. Kevin Durant to 199. Another really nice card. Great player. Didn't get much better than that. Steven Adams to 199. Then we have let me put the autographs down. We'll look at those last. Little Landry rookie. This is also to 199. I love these little jersey. It's not a die cut. I started to call it a cut jersey, but the jersey print. And then we have Bagley, the third rookie. Again, staying to 199. High Octane insert to 199. LeBron. Another gold to 10. Mike Conley, Floor Generals. Number 3 out of 10. So 2 golds in this box. Eric Bledsoe, Floor Generals to 199. Another Kevin Durant, Swingman to 199. So 2 Durants in here, that's good. Antetokounmpo, jersey card to 199. Alright, all we have left now is the autographs. Let's see who we have. First one is Xavier McDaniel to 200 signage for the Supersonics. Supersonic. Boom, boom, boom. Supersonic. Sorry, I'm aging myself again. And our last one, oh my Lord, have mercy on my soul. Do you see who's on the back? There it is. Luka rookie signatures. Holy balls, man. That is number 2. I'm trying not to drop it. 105? Looks like it's numbered to 105. And it looks to be pretty clean. I'm trying to check out all these corners. I don't think they're perfect, but they're pretty dang good. Wow. Well, that's about as good as you can get, as good as you can hope for. Obviously, if this was like a gold number to 10, it would be better, but this is still pretty daggum sweet. This will definitely pay for the box and then some, so that's a good return for once. As you know, opening boxes, you don't do it to make money, because if you do that, you're going to lose out. But luckily, I do it for fun and then sell what I can so I can buy more boxes, because I'm an addict. My name's Leslie, and I'm an addict. Wow, that is sweet. This was a good box, though. This was fun. Not just because I got the Doncic, I can't ever say his last name, Luka. Let's just call him Luka. But also the other inserts, they look good. But I'm confused, though, because I know for a fact when I read the advertisement that it said thick stock cards, and none of these are thick stock. So that's a little bit confusing. But, yeah, aside from that, lots of shine, lots of glitter. 2 golds to 10. Let me set this down before I drop these. You guys know I'm going to drop that, so let me just set it down. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. That was, wow, another little bit of luck. I mean, I opened so much stuff, you guys probably think I'm the luckiest person on the planet, but honestly, it's just the odds. I mean, if you open enough stuff, you're bound to get good stuff from time to time. So, that's just how it is. I like to think I'm a little bit lucky, but I think it's more related to the law of averages than anything else. So that's it. I hope you're all having a great day. Thank you so much. Don't forget the contest is still going on for a couple more days. If you wanted to, go comment on that post, because I'm going to use one of those online automated things to choose a comment on the contest video, and give away a couple of gift cards. So that's it. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.